Road Bike Action is proud to present our March 2015 issue, and it's packed with plenty of content to kickstart your new year. We test Cervelo's all-new, low-cost R2 road bike, and it features plenty of technology trickled down from the Canadian brand's more expensive models. We also take out the latest iteration of Cervelo's celebrated aero road bike, the S5, for a first ride review. We asked 3 top pro riders about their training secrets and how they prepare for a long racing season. Plus, we present a comprehensive guide to healthy weight loss to help you get fast and fit. On the tech side, we break down everything you need to know about Clincher tires. Plus, we ride and review 5 of the latest action video cameras to hit the market. And in what will surely be one of our most talked about stories of the year, we take an in-depth look at 1x drivetrains for cyclocross racing. And we attempt to revolutionize the road bike drivetrain by ditching the classic 2 chainring setup in favor of a single chainring in our 1x project bike, which features a beautiful handmade carbon frame from Alchemy. All that and much, much more can be found in the March 2015 issue of Road Bike Action magazine, on sale right now. To subscribe, go to www.roadbikeaction.com.